We're out here at the Sterlis' property in Wheeling, Illinois. I'm assessing the garage roof here, as half the roof is paid to be replaced. Seems to be some wind damage on this section of roof as well that is not paid to be replaced. But nevertheless, with the other slope and ridge cap being replaced, this first row of shingles here will be required to be replaced. We're taking a shingle out to send out to be identified. I started documenting a repair attempt here, so I thought I'd start videoing instead. So as I was trying to separate these shingles, they were just tearing here, and then having some pretty bad mat transfer over there. We got another tear there, but yes, same idea. There's just bad mat transfer. This is a shingle we were able to get out. Yeah, mat transfer, and the back too. It's got tons of mat transfer from the other one. Same thing down here. Now, also with this two-layer roof, when we were trying to separate and get these shingles out, this additional layer here began to just fall apart. I've got this here. There's another one. Oh yeah, right here. So the substrate here, or what's supposed to be the second layer, is just completely failing when trying to get these other shingles out. So there's me getting it out. Just for demonstration purposes on the video, I'm gonna unseal this row of shingles as well, so you guys can kind of see what's going on, and then you'll see me attempt to put this this shingle back in place of this missing one, so we can send out the product to be identified. Immediately on the first go here, the shingle tore. Try to loosely separate these. Right. Pop. Tore again. I think it's I can just get you close up here. So immediately when trying to separate these shingles, it just tore immediately. And as you saw, I was using some pretty general caution here. And again here, just another tear, and that's completely through. Also, look at that. Look at that. It just took a huge chunk. So if I'm trying to save this shingle and only take this one out, I just took a huge chunk of that shingle with this bad one here that I'm taking out. Okay, it's over there as well. So whatever you put on top, it's not going to reseal. Oh my God, look at that. You see that for reference? It's a 1/2 inch thick. That's a whole piece of the shingle just torn out. So clearly these are really, really difficult to separate. And this being a 100-degree day here, we should have no issues with pliability or separation. Document putting the shingle back. Okay. Slide shingle gently on up. We're going to need to lift the shingle up just enough to slide the hammer underneath in order to get the nail set. Okay, so we'll do that on this one here. Okay. see here. Just gonna lightly take away these shingles. Look at this crease, very bad. Same thing here. Look at all these granules just falling off when I lightly brush it. I mean, these shingles should not crease in this 100-degree weather. If they were pliable, they should easily be able to be lifted. This roof is non-repairable. We're going to be requesting full replacement.